Hi, welcome back to the hangar. It's time to start working on that fuselage. For that, we got to make the gussets. Now, we got to take some sheet metal. It's pretty thick stuff. This is 040. It's pretty thick. It's going to be hard. And this is 090. It's super thick. But first, we're going to make our circles. Got to make 15 of them out of this 040. And out of the 090, we're going to make a bunch of triangles and other stuff like that. Now, I'd like to apologize for not making videos before now. It's just been hectic between, well, I had work to do, and of course I was healing from the wreck. It's winter time, it's been cold, and then on top of that it was raining for 3 weeks. Anyhow, let's get to work. There's no music short enough for this. Well, that went smooth as heck, didn't it? Well, we got it done. We got our circles made. They're circle-ish anyway. Next time, we get to make some of these. Thick triangles out of thick material. This did not go well, this first attempt. But we're going to work it out. We're going to see what we can do. You know, it's back and forth. It's a learning process. But anyway, thanks for watching and bye.